Hello everyone. Hello Professor Ghani. This the final presentation for virtualization storage. In this presentation, I will talk about pharmaceutical company. Um, First, we have the agenda, pharmaceutical company selection criteria and justification, solution design and implementation plan, Google Cloud Platform design, monitoring and optimization implementation plan, conclusion, and lastly, the references. Um, okay, so I decide to select pharmaceutical company for this essay. Obviously, the company has experiences increased growth and their current servers cannot meet emerging demands for data processing and storage. Okay. The firm therefore selected Google Cloud Platforms solution to meet the current company needs. This is expected to enhance the operational efficiency of the pharmaceutical company and meet the scalability needs as the firm opens up a new stores in other locations. Benefits of cloud computing in healthcare. As we can see here, we have lowest of healthcare cost, easy ownership of patients' data, reinforces security, enhance patients' experiences, improve collaboration. In the recent past, the firm has also diversified its portfolio of products in a bid to meet higher pharmaceutical segment demand. Um, Here we can talk about selection criteria and justification. The efficiency. So Google Cloud Services also have an open pricing that works on subscription model, which can benefit pharmaceutical firms through potentially decreased cost, since the firm is only charged what it needs for its operations. And for the security and compliance, Google Cloud Platforms has a strong security platforms which includes complements, identity, and metrics and separation. For performance and reliability, being an infrastructure services, um, the GCP, the Google Cloud Platforms, guarantees that data is optimized for real-time processing for all clients across the geographical locations. um, for scalability of database, which give the firm the ability to easily expand or contract services offered to cover processing and storage necessity. Um, you can talk about solution design and implementation plan. Data migration. This includes a preliminary review of data in place and developing an effective transfer of the firm information to Google Cloud Platform setting. The infrastructure setup, the important infrastructure like network layouts, virtual machines, and storage folders will be created in Google Cloud Platform's environment. For storage and processing for data, collected business data will be stored in enterprise level, secure and highly available clouds provided by Google Cloud platforms, including storage services. Security and complements. Security measure will then be integrated into Google Cloud platforms through security monitoring, identity and access management. And testing and optimization. To build the confidence of stakeholders, aggressive testing will be carried out as to ensure that the cloud environment is scalable, highly performing, and highly reliable. For design, the design of a Google Cloud Platform solution will take into consideration aspects such as data migration, security complements, scalability, and monitoring and optimization. Data migration, it's important to first understand the existing data landscape consisting of structure and volume through conducting a comprehensive data inventory and evaluation. This should cover data integrity, quality, and alignment with company policy and industry guidelines. For data migration, will be deployed which commence with non-sensitive data and stability shifting to mission-oriented data. The identification of points migration, data relationship, and possible migration limitation will also be performed. um, for security and commitments, um, has robust security features that consist of data insertion, access management, and certification for compliance will be utilized to satisfy strict security needs of a pharmaceutical firm. The firm will also seek to comply with industry-related regulation like GDPR and HIPAA to comply with industry best practice. The scalability plan, the pharmaceutical company will utilize the Google Cloud Platform's load balancing and auto-scaling features to facilitate scaling down or up of its infrastructure as informed by the changing data storage and processing needs. This achieved through load balancing capability that allocates platform workloads over diverse instance. Um, as we can see here, the Google Cloud Platforms, the identity security, data analytics, machine learning, and Internet of Things, the cloud computing infrastructure, file storage, network, big data, artificial intelligence. For monitoring and optimization, the firm will implement logging a tracking solution, including Stackdriver and Google Cloud Monitoring for monitoring resource use, availability, and performance of the cloud platform. Capacity planning and ongoing performance review will be performed to recognize optimization avenues corresponding to the firm's changing business requirements. Utilize the platform machine learning and advanced analytics function to derive insights into how to optimize its cost efficiency and performance. Create personalized alternating measures and dashboard to track on proactive basis using key metrics such as storage capacity, network productivity, and CPU use and memory utilization. Pharmaceutical industry cloud services resource overview consideration plugs use cases benefits. For implementation plan, project intention, establish a project steering committee with key stakeholders from IT, business, and executive leadership to oversee the cloud migration. Appointment to dedicate project manager to lead the overall initiative and coordinate cross-functional efforts. Develop comprehensive project plan with clear milestones, deliverables, and responsibilities assigned to the project team members. It's important to first understand the existing data landscape considering of structure and volume through conduct a comprehensive data inventory and evaluation. This should include all sources of data such as cloud storage, file servers, on-premise database. For ongoing support and maintenance, this implementation of the Google Cloud Platform-based cloud solution for the pharmaceutical company is expected to take approximately weeks, depending on complexity of existing IT infrastructure and the company-specific requirements. As we can see here for time frame, the implementation schedule that will guide the deployment plan is shown below. Uh, Here we can see the phase and duration, the expectation for the duration. So for data migration, it approximately 2 weeks, testing 3 weeks, optimization 1 week, and total implementation as 6 weeks. As we discussed before, the data migration, testing, and optimization, and lastly, we talked about the implementation plan. As at the conclusion for all of that, the utilization Google Cloud for storage and virtualization enables the pharmaceutical firms to store data securely and cost effectively while having the ability to expand its storage space. This approach increases ease of access to information, productivity, and it's reflective of well articulate and existed organizational planning process. The Cloud Migration Solutions Design and Implementation Plan for pharmaceutical firm is outlined that seek update and scale its data processing and storage capacity. The company data processing needs are increasingly growing as the business expands and the on-site servers get old and obsolete. Solution is expected to enhance the operational efficiency of the pharmaceutical company and meet the scalability needs as the firm opens up new stores in other locations. And lastly, we have the references here, and thank you for watching.